Go. Well, hello again, everybody. This is our new monkey. The other one got lost somewhere in Madagascar. We have no idea, but he was killed. Just kidding. He's a friend somewhere around the zoo. So this is our new monkey. His name is Coco. Her name is Coco. And she is 4. She's a baby monkey still, considered in the monkey years. And we got her from the Madagascar jungle too, with the other monkey, but this one was jungle.
I remember you getting her.
Oh yeah!
Or I went with you and yeah.
And we almost died?
Yeah. I got tackled.
And
And then I got a tennis ball thrown at me. But whatever. Hello, Miss Monkey. Will she shake hands? Nice to meet you. Oh, her hands are so warm.
she's a shy monkey.
Oh, okay.
And that monkey is now climbing the tree. Like monkeys do.
Oh,
Sometimes she can be vicious. See, she's just whying up her enemy. Oh, she can't reach it. Wait, what? There's Daddy Monkey. Daddy Monkey.
can we go see the hippos now?
Let's go see the hippos. Well, now we're at the hippos. This is our baby hippo. It's fat. You can pick him up. It's a fat hippo.
I don't think you should be smacking the hippo.
This is our baby hippo. He just was born yesterday. His name is Tree Trunks. And he loves to be thrown in the air and slammed to the air. He's okay.
Oh, it's a boy.
It's a boy. You could tell because of the S.
Oh, okay. S for boy.
Yep, and G.
Soy.
And the
It's a
B-
soy.
The G is for a girl, but
That makes no sense, but okay.
whatever. Oh wait, cause sorry, the G is for the girl.
Okay.
She has the G on her.
You have a G on her? You?
Yes.
Oh, there it is, right there.
And so now, moving on. This is the giraffe. It will attack you, but now it's in friendly mode. So everybody just pet the giraffe. Can I pet the giraffe? She loves to be petted. Pet.
What's the giraffe's name?
Spot.
Why?
It's covered in spots.
What?
It's covered in spots.
Yeah, but you could call any giraffe
I
Spots.
don't care.
Okay.
Okay, so this giraffe is the youngest giraffe we have.
How old is he? Or she?
3.
He?
3.
He is 3.
3.
It's a he, right?
It's a girl, actually.
It's a she. Okay. Was it a boy or girl?
It's a girl. You
Okay.
can actually ride on it. It gets bigger.
Can we take a ride?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hop on. We have to hire this. Pretend it like the next. I didn't even have to hold on.
Then you're a good little monkey.
Monkey, why are you talking? Suspicious. Suspicious monkey. What? I'm not even a monkey. I'm not a real monkey. Monkeys can talk too. I'm pretending I'm not talking.
Yeah, bird.
Smart monkey. Okay.
Did you give the monkey? Yeah, she fell with the giraffe. No.
Come sail away, come sail. Okay. This is the armadillo. And it's a boy because it has a S on it. It's right here.
Okay.
Okay. You said girls have. Jeez. Okay. And so, yeah.
How old is he?
He's 1, not even 1. He was born yesterday. That's why he's so small. This guy's name is Coach.
Okay.
So, moving on. This is the hyenas. And these guys are really soft and fluffy and they're vicious. Watch out for that. And monkey. And has anybody seen the monkey? Monkey.
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 Let's go find. It's the wild Howie in action.
Hello, Howie.
Don't touch him, he's vicious. See his tail wagging of death? His tail of death is wagging. He's plotting to kill. Maybe it's for me. No, he's coming. Oh. Oh. Not coming after me.
It's okay. We won't do it.
Monkey! Where's the monkey go?
The monkey. Monkey. Monkey.
Maybe we should look at the back. Like, behind there. I'll go this way. I hear something. It's the oh, not the monkey. Okay.
Monkey.
Scared me for a second.
What's that? Monkey?
That's the hippo.
Like that.
That's a tree.
Inside.
You're seeing things.
Oh, well then, okay.
Armadillo, go find the monkey.
Go find it.
Let's look on the way back of the zoo. See if the monkey went back there.
Okay. Oh, check right behind you too. The monkey might see.
I'm going in.
Kids.
Hurt my leg. What's so funny?
That's not the monkey. What? Amanda's calling.
Let's go in here.
Don't. The lions are in here.
Roar! Lions? Lions roar. I don't see any lions. Ow! Ugh. Whew.
Oh, right there.
Why are they
The monkeys are sleeping.
But they're all the way over there.
The monkeys are still sleeping.
Okay.
Here.
Hmm.
Oh, watch out. This looks like a heart.
Let's see if the monkey escaped to Africa. And then maybe we can find that other monkey.
Look at the dodo birds.
Dodo.
They'll be tiny little
Boop. Madagascar! We're in Madagascar!
Oh, watch out for that crazy monkey.
Oh, right. I remember. Maybe he's up in his den thing.
Oh, he's not there. Oh, maybe he moved.
Maybe, or went to get supper or something.
But what if we're his supper? No! Did you say the house already? Oh no, they're still here. Oh. Well, they sold the house, but they're still living there until they're done with school.
Let's see. Yep, hand binoculars do not work. Well, let's try it again. Whoa, it does work. Awesome. Best thing ever. All right. Miss Zookeeper, what's your name?
My name is Miss Hamilton Cheeseburger.
Miss Hamilton cheeseburger.
Hey,
Where should we go now?
wild monkey! No,
He's gonna attack us!
I didn't know it's a
Oh.
monkey.
Oh,
There you are.
she came back.
What are you doing in the Madagascar, young lady?
Did you come with us? Did you sneak on board? Did you sneak into my luggage?
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
you're a good monkey.
Let's get back to the zoo.
Yeah, come on. Why don't you carry the monkey? Why don't you carry the monkey? Monkey needs lift. Oh, okay. You don't want to get carried? All right.
Well, we're back in Minneapolis. At the zoo, the great zoo. Now we have to let the monkey go back into his cage.
All right. See you later, monkey.
Bye, monkey. See you.
I guess we'll never figure out the mystery of the other monkey, huh?
Dun dun dun.
Well, goodbye. See you for what? Part 3?
Part 3.
Part 3. This has been part 2.
The other part will be, where did the other monkey go? Dun dun dun. Like, comment,
And subscribe.